everyone! Welcome back to Claude 101 by ARIQFA AI Learning. I'm your host, and today we're diving into episode 2, your first conversation with Claude. In episode 1, we learned what Claude is. Today, we learn how to actually use it. Let's get started. Step 1, Introduction to the interface. Hello, everyone, and welcome. Today, we are diving deep into how to master your collaboration with AI to completely transform your workflow. When you first open an AI platform like Claude, you are greeted with a remarkably clean, simple interface and a text box at the bottom of your screen. Do not let its simplicity fool you. This is your gateway to a powerful assistant. Your requests here can range from basic everyday questions, like brainstorming code names for a brand new product feature, all the way to complex, collaborative tasks where you build massive files together from scratch. Step 2, the core framework for effective prompting. Every single interaction with an AI begins with a prompt. The way you write this prompt directly shapes the quality of the response you receive. The golden rule here is simple. Treat the AI like a capable coworker. Speak to it naturally, concisely, and conversationally. To build a truly effective prompt, you should follow a reliable three-part framework before hitting send. Setting the stage. Establish who you are, what your role is, and what your ultimate objectives are. Defining the task. Clearly state the exact action you want the AI to take, whether that is writing, analyzing, building, or researching. Specifying the rules. Outline the specific style, tone, or constraints you want it to follow, and provide real examples if you have them. Step 3. Putting a perfect prompt into practice. Let's look at how this looks in the real world. Imagine you write a prompt like this. I'm the marketing lead at an indie streaming startup, and we're preparing an investor pitch deck for Series A investors. Can you research the current state of the independent film streaming market and identify key trends, competitor positioning, and growth opportunities? Use current web research with citations and structure it as a professional report of up to 5 pages with an executive summary, market analysis, competitive landscape, and growth opportunities. Notice how perfectly this works. By analyzing this prompt, we see all three elements in action. We set the stage by mentioning the Series A pitch deck context. We define the task by asking for market research on trends and competitors. And we specify the rules by demanding web research, citations, and a strict 5-page report structure. Step 4. Going deeper with the 4D framework. If you want to truly maximize your efficiency, it helps to understand the underlying science of AI communication. This prompting framework is actually adapted from the 4D framework for AI fluency, which was developed through rigorous academic research collaboration between Professor Rick Dakan and Professor Joseph Feller. This framework identifies 4 core competencies that allow human beings to collaborate seamlessly with artificial intelligence. Delegation, knowing what tasks to hand over. Description, giving clear, descriptive instructions. Discernment, evaluating the accuracy and quality of the AI's output. Diligence, ensuring the work is handled responsibly, ethically, and safely. Mastering these 4 pillars ensures that your AI usage is not just fast, but safe and highly effective. Step 5. Expanding context with file uploads. Text prompts are incredibly powerful, but you can take your collaboration to the next level by feeding the AI rich data. You can easily upload files directly into the chat. The AI is fully capable of parsing and analyzing both text and visual elements within PDFs, Word documents, CSV spreadsheets, text files, and even common image formats like PNGs and JPEGs. Think about how much time this saves you in your daily work. You can upload a massive complex document and ask for a quick summary of the main arguments. Share a screenshot or design image and ask the AI to describe or critique what it sees. Attach a deep financial spreadsheet and ask it to identify hidden data trends. Or even paste a block of code and ask it to find bugs or explain how it functions. Step 6. Mastering the art of iteration. One of the biggest mistakes beginners make is treating an AI like a search engine, typing a query, getting an answer, and stopping there. In reality, working with AI is designed to be an iterative, conversational process. It is a continuous dialogue where you guide the assistant step by step. If the first response isn't completely perfect, you have excellent options to refine it. Ask follow up questions. You can say, "Can you expand on your second point?" Or, "Make this tighter and more concise." Provide constructive feedback. Tell it what worked and what didn't. Like, "This data is great, but the tone is too formal." Rewrite it to be more conversational. Redirect or edit. If the conversation veers off track, simply steer it back or use the built in pencil icon to edit your original message and refresh the context completely. Step 7. Personalization, memory, and styles. Finally, let's talk about personalization. To save you from repeating yourself in every single new chat, advanced AI platforms offer features like memory and custom styles. With memory, the AI automatically remembers your professional role, your ongoing preferences, and your specific working style over time across all your devices. If you tell it once that you work in B2B marketing, it remembers that context for future projects. Coupled with custom styles, you can choose preset tones like concise or formal, or write your own custom rules instructing the AI exactly how to sound. By personalizing these settings, the AA adapts to you, making every single conversation faster, smarter, and perfectly tailored to your unique voice. Take these 7 steps, put them into practice, and unlock the full potential of your AI assistant. What's next? In the next lesson, we'll learn how to adjust the AI's tone, format, and overall approach. Feedback. We'd love to hear how you are using these concepts and get your feedback. Share it here. Thank you and ready for next episode.